Yes, welcome to English grammar class. Dear learners, today in this period, let us discuss about the linkers or conjunctions or connectors. See, the three words has the similar meaning, synonym meaning. Okay, children. See there, dear children, linkers, conjunctions and connectors both are the same meaning. Dear children, here fill in the blanks with appropriate linkers, or he can ask appropriate conjunctions, or he can ask appropriate connectors also. If this type of questions will come to your exam, at that time linkers, conjunctions and connectors both are same. There is no different in them. Okay, see children, here Lata is dash tall as tall dash well built. Here please think about these two blanks. Which is what is the correct linker? What is the correct conjunctions here? Lata is not only Lata is not only tall, Lata is not only tall but also well built, See there, Lata is not only tall but also well built. First, Lata is dash tall dash well built. What is this? What are the linkers? What are the conjunctions? Like this you will going to think. Okay, see, need not necessary. You think, you read one more time and you think in proper manner, answer you will get it. Okay, the right answer. Lata is not only tall but also well built. See the second one. She is a good player. She is a good player dash she is so small. She is so small. See there, she is a good player although she is so small. She is a good player although she is so small. Next, third one. He will pass dash he works hard. He will pass dash he works hard. He will pass if he works hard. He will pass if he works hard. If is the right linker, correct conjunction. Okay, see there, next one. We all love her. We all love her dash she is humble. We all love her dash she is humble. Which is the right conjunction word here? Which is the right connector here? Which is the right linker here, children? See there, we all love her dash she is humble. We all love her because she is humble. We all love her because she is humble. That's why, because we all love her. Okay. See the next one. I have never met Lata. I have never met Lata. Dash I left school. Dash I left school. See, I have never met Lata since I left school. Since I left school. Keep quiet. Dash go out. See there. Which is the correct linker? Children, which is the correct conjunction here? Keep quiet. Dash go out. Keep quiet or go out. Keep quiet or go out. See, R is the correct linker. Next, you will not pass the test or exam. You will not pass the test. Dash you study hard. You study hard. Which is the right answer? You will not pass the test if you study hard. If you study hard. You will not pass the test if you study hard. See there. And here is one more important, the sentence is there here. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was dash an educationist dash statesman. See there, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was dash an educationist dash statesman. Think children, which is the right linker or a conjunction here in both these blanks. See there children, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was both, was both an educationist and statesman. See, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was both an educationist and statesman. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was both an educationist. He was educationist and statesman also. Okay. See children, the linkers, conjunctions, okay. Now you can understand. See there, fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. With appropriate prepositions. You know the prepositions. Okay. Come on. Please try to fill this blank. Children, the first sentence like this. The ship sailed dash the Atlantic. The ship sailed dash the Atlantic. Which is the right preposition children? Which is the right preposition? The ship sailed dash the Atlantic. Yes, correct. Your answer is right. The ship sailed across. The ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. The ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. Across is preposition children. See, here some students are thinking on, not, for, in, at, like these are all. No children. See, these are also preposition. The ship sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. Okay. See, the second one. I saw him walking dash the park. I saw him walking dash the park. Which is the right form of preposition here children? I saw him walking dash the park. See, I saw him walking towards the park. Towards the park. Towards the park. Okay. Towards, that is also a preposition. See, the loan will be repaid. The loan will be repaid dash a year. The loan will be repaid. The bank manager will going to insist to the farmers. Say, The loan will be repaid dash a year, means within a year. Within a year. The loan will be repaid within a year. See, within, that is also a preposition. In here also, the bus went dash the corner. The bus went dash the corner. Yes, the bus went across, around the corner, around the corner, around. The bus went around the corner. The bus went around the corner. Next, children, please try to fill this sentence blank with the help of appropriate preposition. I had to go dash him. I had to go dash him. See, I had to go dash him. I had to go without him. I had to go without him. I can go. I had to go without him. Yes, I am capable, I am able, and I had to go without him. See, here without is also a preposition. See, children, last one. She walked dash the fence. She walked dash the fence. She walked along. She walked along the fence. She walked along the fence. Like this, children, linkers, conjunctions are connectors, and here preposition. Like this, you should try to fill the blanks if these type of questions will be come in your examination. No, not will be, it should be. You can expect this type of question should be in your question. Okay, children, in next class we will discuss another one new and important topic in English grammar. Okay, children? Okay, thank you. Have a good day.